Millions of animals suffer in silence, hungry, hurt, homeless, waiting for someone to care.
At TNG Wukair Primary Campus, Year 1A saw this suffering and decided to make a change.
This year of students explored the beautiful and meaningful mission of caring for animals and protecting the environment inspired by Sustainable Development Goal 15, Life on Land. They learned that leadership is not just about standing in front of others, but about standing for something kindness, compassion, and responsibility.
Explored animal rights mean. We learn how animals suffer and why they need us to care and act. Each discovery made us more determined to make a difference.
Throughout this journey, our little leaders took big steps learning about animal rights, connecting with local animal rescue shelters like Pawmise, participating in the donation drive, and most importantly, developing a deep sense of care for the living beings we share this planet with.
With small hands and big hearts, we get a donation. Every toy, every bag of food, a symbol of hope for animals waiting for a second chance.
Meeting a rescue dog showed us the power of compassion. Through organizations like Pawmise, we saw how love and responsibility can change lives one paw at a time.
Our families walked this journey with us, guiding, encouraging, and standing with us to create a kinder world.
We conducted survey to understand whether everyone is aware about animal welfare while they are taking any action.